Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can adjust graphics settings in Dragon Ball Legends. So I made this video is for new or for beginner that new into this game. So before you are going to challenge the event or playing PvP for example or completing the mission, in case you are running this game in low graphic or low device or old device, or even you play this game in high-end device, you can adjust the graphics settings like low and high resolution option. For example, let's get started by tapping the menu and tap the other. As you can see, there are some options here. Tap the third one, the options, and go to the graphics. So you can adjust the graphics. Higher setting will increase graphics quality but may cause slowdown on some devices. Choosing the highest setting will enable high resolution graphics. This one. Some changes require a restart to take effect. So please use this wisely based on your graphic or based on your power of your device. So this is the safe point. Maybe this one, take a middle one, and you can try the gameplay to adjust it by on your make your own preference. So if you want play high, make sure your device is high end. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe as well. Click this button below. Enjoy the game.